Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export subscribers from MailerLite. This is incredibly useful when you need to back up your subscriber list, analyze your data in spreadsheet software, or migrate your contacts to another platform. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to MailerLite.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct login details to access your subscriber management dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From these options, click on Subscribers. This section houses all of your email contacts and gives you complete control over managing them. Once you're in the subscribers area, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find various management options for handling your subscriber list in bulk. This is where you can perform actions on multiple subscribers at once, making it much more efficient than handling them individually. Now locate and click on the button labeled Action. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options for what you can do with your subscribers. These actions range from editing to deleting, but today we're focusing on exporting. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see two export options: Export CSV and Export CSV for Excel. The standard CSV format works with most spreadsheet programs, while the Excel-specific version is optimized for Microsoft Excel users. For this example, let's click on Export CSV. This format is universally compatible and works seamlessly with Google Sheets, Excel, and other data management tools. After clicking Export CSV, MailerLite will begin preparing your file. Depending on the size of your subscriber list, this might take a few moments. You'll see a processing indicator, so just be patient while the system compiles all your subscriber data into a downloadable file. This file will contain all the relevant information about your subscribers, including their email addresses, names, subscription dates, and any custom fields you've created. Once the file is ready, you'll see a download button appear on your screen. Click on Download to save the CSV file to your computer. The file will typically save to your default Downloads folder unless you've specified a different location. And that's it. You've successfully exported your subscribers from MailerLite. You now have a complete backup of your subscriber list that you can use for analysis, safekeeping, or integration with other platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.